bira kami dito. Dito kami dito.
Ito po, oh. Magkakaroon ka ng Illusion Restaurant dito, ha?
Okay.
Tapos, ito round shape, hanggang ito hangganan.
Okay.
So, ganun din sa kabila.
Okay.
Ma'am, wala tayong iniwan, ha? Nakita nyo? Sinundan, pero inangat. So, ito po yung kalbo sa inyo. Pero, ayan po yung naka-measure.
Okay.
Sa kabila din ganun, ha? So, round shape pa rin dito, ito ang hangganan.
Okay.
Okay?
Pero medyo may ano na.
Expect nyo may kwero to, ha?
Oo.
At least ina-hour kita.
Ganda na. Ganda dang. Oo.
Kyra. Anong feeling mo? Wala ka na dito sa Pasig? Na gano'n na, paid na. Kasi nga, per session na yun. Mas kinuha na.
Ganda na.
Akala mo, lapad niya kasi nga.
Oo.
Kasi alam mo yung nalamog na siya, ha? So, nakagano na ang skin niya yan.
Parang maga.
Pero sumisiksik yun, di ba?
Oo.
Tsaka siya nagmumukhang natural sa skin.
Okay.
Habang tumatagal, ha?
Okay.
Kung ganun pa rin nung una, ganun pa rin. Wala naman tayong dinagdag binawas yan, eh.
Okay.
Nilaminan lang natin yan.
Okay. Ganda na.
Upo ka.
Hindi kayo malalabas, no? Kasi hindi yung laptop.
Dito lang ako. Ako nasunod kay Shira, eh. Eh, syempre.
Usap lang ang table dito.
Saan?
Dito po. Angat po.
Good morning. So today is 6 days from the second session of my 6D microblading. So this is what it looks like now. Ayan. Okay. So ayan na siya. Ang ganda pa rin naman. Tapos ito yung eyelash extension. na napakagaan. So, very satisfied kami dyan sa eyelash extension na yan. So, we did this ng mga sister ko because it's only 1,499. So, my sister, Chris, she's the one who offered this. Syempre, if ako lang, I won't be encouraged kasi, you know, as a mom, parang hindi na sa akin siya talaga priority. Yun yung thought ko. Pero since nung sinabi ng kapatid ko na it's very close to my place, it's like 5 to 10 minutes drive lang, tapos they will be coming from San Mateo pa. So sabi ko, sige, why not? I might as well try this. Parang siblings bonding na, sisters bonding. Parang ganun yung naging eksena. So, yung first session, we did that nung October 29. October 29 was the first session. Painful na rin talaga siya at that time. Pero kaya. Kaya naman. Just imagine yung hiniwa na sugat, susugatan ulit. So, definitely, kapag ginawa yun, parang merong sensation. Tapos, parang mainit-init yung pakiramdam. Kasi syempre yung sugat, diba? Tapos, susugatan ulit. Masakit yon. Pero hindi, kinaya naman. Sabi sa amin nung nagsiservice, mababaw lang naman yung sugat. So, kaya. Pero, at that time, meron na akong thought na I will definitely do the painless. Kasi, mas malalim daw yung hiwa kapag second session na. Kasi yun na yung parang permanent. Parang ganon. So, okay naman yung first session namin. Tapos, here comes our second session, which nangyari nga no January 29. And, sinabi namin na we will definitely take advantage of the painless. So, that's additional 500 pesos. Pero, in exchange of that, sabi namin, hindi namin kukunin yung care kit. Kasi yung care kit, yung aftercare kit ay libre nung first session. Pero pag second session, you are required to buy. And that is 500 pesos. So sabi namin, in exchange of the care kit, we will just do the painless. I think that's their way of upselling din. Kasi nga, free na yung second session, diba? Binayaran na namin yon during the first session. So kumbaga, if we will not avail anything, wala kaming babayaran at all. So, so as I was saying, parang it's their way of upselling kasi ang ginawa nila ay dumawag pa siya to inform na hindi nga kami mag-a-avail ng aftercare kit pero we will do the painless. So, by the way, ito yung aftercare kit nga pala. Ayan. Ito yan. So, may cleanser tapos parang merong ointment. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. Hindi ko lang siya ma-video ng ina-apply ko pero I'll explain kung paano siya nilalagay. So anyway, may pinasign sa amin na waiver. Naka-ready yung waiver nila. Telling us na they won't be liable to anything in case may mangyari dito kasi yung aftercare kit nga yung importante. Yun ang sabi. So, sabi namin, sige, okay lang kasi we still have the aftercare kit naman. Hindi namin naubos. Parang ginamit ko lang siya for 3 times tapos hindi ko na inano. Tapos sabi hindi daw pwede na hindi i-avail kasi contaminated na. Pero sabi namin hindi pwedeng contaminated kasi we follow the instructions. Wala naman nakalagay na expiry or anything. So right now, I am using the aftercare kit na binigay nila sa amin nung first session which was back in October. Ito siya. So ito yung cleanser. Lalagay mo to ng after magising, bago matulog, and after maligo. So, cleanser first, and then you will use the ointment. Yung ointment, ididip mo siya sa, gagamit ka ng cotton buds. So, pag dip mo, apply cotton buds. Tapos, yung another edge, dip again dito sa kabila. So, hindi mo siya pwedeng, pag in-apply mo, i-dip mo ulit, di pwede yon. Yung another edge na lang yung gagamitin mo. Kaya yun yung sinasabi ko kanina na it's not contaminated kasi wala naman kaming, finalo namin yung instruction kung paano siya ilagay. Okay, so ito na nga, yung second session namin, I started it na. Ako yung nauna. Tapos, sinukatan, ayan. Tapos, which is, nakita nyo naman sa video kanina. And then, ayun na, nung pinahid na yung pampamanhid siguro tawag doon or anesthesia, I don't know. May pain pa din. So, yun lang yung parang disappointing. Kasi we paid for 500 pesos para i-avail yung painless. And by the word itself, dapat painless, diba? Painless siya. So, may pain. At hindi siya yung basta pain na ano ha. Talagang masakit siya. So, parang, what's the 500 pesos for, diba? Parang hindi siya... Parang wala. Parang wala lang. Parang nagbigay ka lang ng 500 pesos. So, yun. Pero sabi sa amin, mas painful daw if wala yung ganun. I don't know. Ako, as for me ha, kasi it's my first time to do 6D microblading. I don't have any prior experience. I really don't know. But my sisters, the two sisters that kasama ko nga, they said that it shouldn't feel that way kasi nakatry na sila before sa ibang provider. At pag sinabing painless, talagang painless. Wala kang pain. So, ayun lang. So, yun yung medyo disappointing na part. Kasi yung customer service, yung silang dalawa, yung gumawa ng eyebrows namin and ng eyelashes namin, parehong nice. Siguro yun lang yung disappointing sa experience namin is because yung we weren't able to get the yung worth nung 500 pesos dun sa sinasabi na painless. Yun lang. If I will try this again, maybe to a different provider na, pero definitely hindi na sa HBL. Pero yung eyelash extension nila, that is something that I can definitely recommend. Kasi, yung eyelash extension, hindi siya first time kong gawin. Pero, yung eyelash extension nila, that's the lightest that we've tried. And my sister also, pare-pareho kami ng opinion, yung mga sisters ko. They always do the eyelash extension, different providers. Pero, ito yung pinaka-lightest. Pag sinabing natural hair talaga. Ayan siya, tsaka puno, oh. So, this is only for 799. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you find this video helpful, we would really appreciate if you can like and subscribe so that you'll be notified whenever we have a new upload. And don't forget to share this video as well for those people who was curious about 6D microblading and doesn't know what to expect. So, thank you so much again for watching and you may have a blessed day. Goodbye!